Hello friends, welcome again with new video. Today we will learn how to create high speed rotation video in Premiere Pro. Drag and drop image on your Premiere Pro timeline. Select image and set start position. Click on rotation. Now select in position. Click and hold mouse left button and drag to right side. Now shake it. Click on play button. Yes, we have created a rotation animation video. Now make it more high speed. Select this icon and press the delete button. Under rotation, type 100 x 360. Now press enter button. Now shake it again. Yeah, it's become more high speed. Thanks for watching the video.